Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto G Stylus 5G 2024 from Cricket Wireless. So the Moto G Stylus 5G 2024 is now here at Cricket Wireless. It's available in a caramel latte color, so very interesting. There's the front of the phone right there with the Stylus pen. Of course, you guys have your whole point to front facing camera there. Power volume keys on the right side of the phone. So if you guys are porting your number over to Cricket, you can get the Moto G Stylus 2024 for free. So that is pretty cool. If you're in the existing customer upgrading your phone, it's $129.99. So that's pretty cool. So if you just need a new number in general, it's $89.99. So pretty interesting there. The full retail price of the Moto G Stylus 5G 2024 is $229.99. So like I said, this is one of the phone. Of course, you guys got your Stylus pen right there. Left side of the phone has your micro SD and SIM card slot right here on the left side. Back of the Moto G Stylus is your dual camera setup. Looks like dual LED flash. Your Moto logo is dented in. It looks like it looks like a gray color, but it looks nice nonetheless. So yeah. Yeah. Also, no option to do it monthly, but might as well just port your number over to Cricket and get it for free. You might as well do that. But anyways, the Moto G Stylus 5G 2024 has a 6.7-inch display, a 50 megapixel main camera, 128 gigabytes of storage. It says the new Moto G Stylus 5G 2024 takes expression to another level. Jot notes, edit photos, sketch artwork, and navigate effortlessly with an improved stylus. Enjoy cinematic entertainment on a 6.7-inch OLED display with Dolby Atmos. Get a 50 megapixel ultra pixel camera system and 5,000 mAh battery with turbo power charging, plus a standout design featuring vegan leather and tons of storage for your creations. Express yourself like never before with Moto G Stylus 5G. Alright. Features: new built-in stylus, jot notes, edit photos, sketch artwork, and navigate effortlessly with an improved stylus and updated software. 6.7-inch OLED display and Dolby Atmos. Expands cinematic quality entertainment with over 1 billion shades of color and multi-dimensional sound. 50 megapixel ultra pixel camera plus optical image stabilization. Captures sharper low-light photos and smoother videos within unshakable camera system featuring optical image stabilization. Specs: the Moto G Stylus 5G 2024 features Android 14, which is very nice, which is the latest and greatest right now. Android 15 is on the way. I don't know if this phone will get Android 15 or not, so don't know about that. But it comes with Android 14 nonetheless. You get 128 gigabytes of storage. Dimensions on the Moto G Stylus 5G: 6.4 inches height, 2.9 inches width, and 0.3 inches depth. 6.7-inch Full HD plus display with 120Hz refresh rate. Connectivity options for the Moto G Stylus 5G includes Wi-Fi 802.11, ABGN, and AC, mobile hotspot, Wi-Fi calling, Type-C charging, Bluetooth 5.1. You get a 50 megapixel main camera, 13 megapixel camera on the back. That's probably your ultra wide camera. Then a 32 megapixel front facing camera, 5,000 mAh battery, octa-core chipset there. It takes a physical nano SIM card, and there's your hearing net compatibilities there. So very nice and whatnot. So yeah. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Moto G Stylus 5G 2024 is now here at Cricket Wireless. It's available now for free if you guys put your number over to Cricket. and whatnot, so that's very cool. If you're upgrading to this phone, if you're a current Cricket customer, it's $129.99, so not bad. So definitely worth checking out. Great specs and features for what it is. So if you guys are looking to get a budget 5G smartphone in Cricket, the Moto Stylus 5G is worth checking out here. And then plus it has a Stylus pen with some features built into it. So yeah, check it on out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.